Sanibona and welcome to my YouTube channel. Ubaba omncane wathi uyamthola vele uSanele wathola ukuthi hawu uMbali akekho. uMbali is nowhere to be found. Ngafika endlini uyabatshela ukuthi you guys, uNtanzi ungiluthile bafethu, uNtanzi loot me. Kunjani? Uthi udlala kodwa uthembisini. I know kodwa ngifilile desperately. Because uNtanzi took that money. uMbali was not there now. Anete lo munye ugeni nje ungamazi. Hayibo, what's the plan? Awusanele udidekile. Umpangazithe yena ubusy ke looking at the map, trying to find the easiest way to cross kuphi i-border. Ambuza kahle uZama ukuthi uZama yamthemba uphinda. Ngamthemba uphinda ukuthi uphinda is gonna come back. Uthi uZama ngempilo yami yonke ke phinda ngimthemba cobo. Phinda kaSisilima. Uthi umpangazitha usho ukuthi umphinda will not grow conscious there and decide to do all things otherwise. Uthi next 2 hours goes, uphinda nowhere to be found. uMbali siyayishisela manje. Now she's the one who's concerned ngophinda. Kodwa uphinda showed up nemali and everything. Imap usho ukuthi kahle it's ready. They're ready to leave when uZama realizes ukuthi lama passport lawo expired. Mpangazitha, how can you do this? Yo, washamngena ubabakhe. Athi vele wena baba uyafuna ukuthi mina ngikuphiphe. Everything that you do is like you don't think. Everything that you do nje is no stupid nyana. Every day, everything that you decide that you do, that you think nje ufuna mina ngilandele ngemuva. Vuka Mpangazitha. Ngicela uvuka kunosebenza wena mina. Ngeke ngikuphiphe yonke into oyenzayo baba. Washa mthethisa ubaba wakhe. Yo, wazwa ukade uMpangazitha wancapha wathi yo, hey wena, remember that you're talking to your dad. Kanjani ngikuphipha kanjani? I have to go after you in each and everything that you do. How did kude kanjani for you to not realize ukuthi those passport were expiring ngoJanuary? Now we are here. Funa uma sesiyeqile manje. Mpangazitha uthi ngizophuma nalo icebo. Vele nakanjani iphuma nalo icebo, and someone said that, you know what, ngiphezu kwawo nyalo, I'm going to make sure ukuthi niyawathola nje before the end of today. Kodwa lokho akahlala kahle uZama, because uZama yena expected ukuthi manje mayifika laphana ngophinda bona bayahamba. Kodwa nje yangicaka because lama passport still solo I2. I don't know ukuthi uphinda uneyakhe or yakhe ifihliwe or kanjani, kodwa still eyaMpangazitha noZama. And ifamily yonke vele still concerned. Uphinda called his mom to say that yena uyahamba cross the border, that's where he will start impilo yakhe and he will be sending money for medication. uFaith washo abatshela kwaMagwaza ukuthi yo, nomuntu uthi uyahamba eMaputo. Uphinda decide yena ukuthi, you know what, because I don't want to do this anymore, ngikukhulula uMbali, ahambe uMbali amuke, because lento ayisi-right. uMbali naye has a lot of questions. Uphinda wathi, yo, nemibuzo ke girl, kodwa uZama wabathola wathi wephinda, what are you doing? Uthi uphinda, this is wrong, this is very very wrong, so asahambe wena sobabili. uZama usungaba ngihlanyela, don't be crazy me. Sanibonani. So Mom Faith receiving that call from Uphinda proves to us that I think Uphinda growing conscious, yabona ukuthi abe nenhlitiyo to think ukuthi yo, this is dangerous, let me call my mom, just ngize izwi lakhe yabo, to nje kukhuluma naye ngive ukuthi maybe it will change something from kumina, my perspective, the way I see things, the way I understand things. And then nakanjani calling her mom, his mom really changed inhlitiyo yakhe, because Mom Faith was like, angeke noma ungayijele noma ungayindikani, you are my son wena. Faith forgave Uphinda like a true Christian would do. Faith forgave Uphinda, and Uphinda manje escort nje ku-situation emathi mangabe, because now he's thinking about the baby there, he's thinking about his mom, thinking about this whole thing. And the way they treat him, Uphinda ne, uPablo, when uMduduzi died, I feel like uPablo should have realized ukuthi iforce nyala kasanayo, ipower noma ngaba asanayo, because he has money, but the people to execute kuseluphinda nje. and uphinda uyawenza umsebenzi ayenzeke vele like he says as an executor uphinda uwenza umsebenzi wenzeke kodwa the way uPablo has been treating uphinda before and after kushona kwakhe uMduduzi when they knew exactly ukuthi they're left with no one but ibona nje bobathathu because they like this vibe thing the life that we're living. I feel like uPablo bekufuna ngoba abemtreating ngenhlonipho kuphinda the way he was talking to him should have like ihambe nenhlonipho even though he was the one paying uphinda for doing the job or anything, but if you don't have anyone else, you only have this person, what do? You treat this person with respect so that you don't lose them. Yabo. And when in each and everything, if something was suspicious, they will suspect like they will think that Upinda is the one who did it. If something doesn't go right, they will think that Upinda did it. If something doesn't, someone said something, they will think that Upinda. And every time he hears these words, these names that he's calling Upinda ngawo, instead of being nice and just like making sure Upinda is comfortable and loyal to them. Upinda has been loyal to them, but the Mpangazit has been treating Uphinda like ngalenye indlela that will make you think ukuthi really does this person want me to be here, does this person masekufika isikhathi sokukhetha, will this person choose me or will choose someone else? I understand. So Uphinda has been loyal but bona in return they haven't been loyal. Uphinda even short his mom, the one who gave birth to him, wakhipha nje uvolovolo wathi wena gunpoint uma wakhe still uPablo akamthembi, still uPablo mawabona uphinda nje ubona siwewe usemuntu stupid, that's what they call him. Kanjani this time around he said like I'm gonna call my mom. Wakhe was like mntanami mina ngisakufuna usaphila, which means Mom Faith has been telling the truth, saying that umntanakhe umntana olungile, it's just that the evil around him consumed him and turned him into the person that he is. Kodwa if angahlala nabantu abalungile, he can lunga. Uphinda has been spending hours with Umbali. Umbali has been like planting the seed kubona ukuthi vele nje angeke aze abe ne-guilty conscious or something, and he did. I did because ugcina athi yo ngomkhulula mntana bantu mina ngimkhulula with Zama ke it's all the way or nothing, all the way or nothing. Ufuna nje like i-behavior yakhe it's something ukuthi every time I'm gonna win, every time I'm gonna come on top, every time it has to be me, no one else, me. That's why even manje the way she talks to ubabakhe nakhona akusana nhlonipho. There's no respect towards ubabakhe because she found herself pushing herself so hard to go number one situations where she needed to show up for ubabakhe, and she pushed so hard wayakuphumelela, and uMpangazitha relied on her ngaleyo ndlela. So manje sebayalingana kusho ukuthi yena mathi uyabuka when she's looking at her dad ubona intanga yakhe. Like they always say, umuntu omdala uyahlonishwa, guys. Umuntu omdala, regardless of how they say it or when they say it, lokusalako, you respect abantu abadala. Kodwa uZama lost it. And vele bengaze ahlale angalost it uZama because each and every time, be it emjolweni, be it I want to kill this person, be it I want this person gone, be it we need this kind of man, I need this and I need this. And uMpangazitha kind of shaped uZama to the person that she is today. Manje nyalo she's showing disrespect towards him, so kuba very very hard for him to take it and swallow it. Kwatile umuntu omdala ukuthi I've been coming up with plans, manje nyalo this plan doesn't work out, even sengithole isolution lo mntwana usazongibalisela. See, le nto ayisebenzi, le Mpangazitha ayisebenzi. I see this thing like Kopla, the head is not working. Kusho umntanakhe to ubabakhe uthi this is not working. Umbali worked very hard to get Uphinda to see her as human. Uphinda phela, remember Uphinda once took Uthumba Umbali, put a bomb. It's just that Umbali doesn't know that it was Uphinda. Kodwa thina we know because that was Uphinda. And Uphinda didn't want to listen to anything because he is crazy in love with Uzama and he would do anything and anything for Uzama. Kodwa Umbali this time around managed to reach out to that part lena Mom Faith always talked about. Inhliziyo yakhe ilungile. Yabona, he just needs good people around him and he planted the seed. She planted the seed very, very nice to the point where Upinda decided that this is wrong. BakwaDladla, they've never done anything wrong to us. Uthuzama bakwaDladla, they've never done anything wrong to us. Like, honestly. So this thing goes back to Upinda was just like there to hold someone else's space in Lithuania Kazama. Because Zama still goes back to this whole thing is going back to Uwele, who decided to leave on his own terms.